Hey guys, what's up? It's the Pro Gamers from the Pro Gamers, and today we are going to be playing Survival of the Fittest, episode 4. Of who knows how many. And the last episode we explored the Minecraft pretty thorough. I don't know. We got the Minecraft test. Wasn't too valuable. Wasn't too great, but it was pretty good. So we did that, and I'm prepping for an anvil, so I'm gonna prep for an anvil. So I'm gonna get as many iron blocks as I can. I need at least 3. And so I'll be able to make 3, which means we have enough to make an anvil. I think. I only need 5 more after that. Let's see. We'll have 1 extra too. So we're gonna make an anvil, like right now, when this finishes smelting. Make our last block, and then we're gonna need 5 more iron. Should be, so we're gonna have 1 extra, or maybe 2 extras. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? That was bad. Oh, we're so close, we're so close. Oh, one more piece, and we have an anvil, and we're not gonna use it until we can make. Oh, what's I gonna use it for, actually? I guess I could name stuff, but okay, so let's make one. I'm pretty sure this is how you make one anvil. Yep, there we go. 1 anvil. Oh my god! I love anvils. Swap. Let's not let you break. No, don't have any iron left. Besides a little. I'll make 1 more chest with this because I need 1 more to complete. Yep. Storage upgrade. There we go. And then the extra opening. We have our iron armor up. I don't want to use any of that up. Okay. But I have a plan for today, and this is gonna be like prep for the Prismarine Temple. The sea temple over there. Preparation. Plus anvil. So that's awesome. Anvils are awesome. It does take a lot of iron to make it. 99. It takes 32 iron to make. So not as much as an iron golem, but still a lot. Wait, yeah, no, not as much as an iron golem, but still close, really close. We could have made an iron golem, probably more useful, but I don't know. I don't know. But yeah. So I don't know, guys. What should we do? I'm not really sure. I guess we go to mining because we're just prepping for it. I need some torches. This. That's all we need. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna keep it on peaceful because I don't want to get hurt. It's just prep. Oh, no. I actually already, had a plan. I'll do that, episode 6. Because episode 5, we're going against the Prismarine Temple. So we need to hurry up and get some stuff done. Because next episode, we're going against the Prismarine Temple. I cannot wait to do. Of course, that will be tomorrow, because it is the 31st of October. And I've made 7 videos. I posted, I think, 7 or 6 videos. Today, maybe 8, well, including this one. So I'm guessing, because this is our Halloween special, and, the first, I don't know, I'll post like 2 videos. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I'm not really sure though. What I should do. I just planned this when I was coming up. Whop. Perfect plan. Now, this cave, I don't know. I'm not looking for, I'm looking for diamonds. Not iron. I mean, actually, I am looking for iron too. Because I do want to make an iron golem when we fight the wither, but I want to keep him with us. So there's a ravine. Oh, it's awesome. That is awesome. I'm gonna be really, really, really careful right here. The ravine is slippery. Slippery business. Okay. Got it. Oh, so close. Oh, so close to that. Okay. I can hear some freaky sounds actually, because of the lava. I don't know if you can hear them. Oh crap! Because it was like a really hard. Oh, not as deep as a ravine should be actually. Not a very big ravine, but I'm not considering that as a bad thing. Now I think about it. I guess I'll get some of this. Oof. I really want to be careful over there though. Should we go up here? I gotta go up here. No, we're not. Well, I guess we're going up here. Time to go. Hey, and there's the surface. Oh, that's the ravine that we were just at. We just crossed it without having to cross it. I don't know what way to go. I want to go this way. Right to jump. Nope. Can we just go back? This ravine. This is where we were. I want to get that though. Get as much as I can of this. Then I think I'll probably do that. Work my way out from there. I think this is gonna be a really bad plan. Like I already know it, but preparation is a go. Go up. 23 should be enough to get over there and pile back up. But I want to be super careful. I want to go little platform. Oh, gotta go down. Okay, let's get this off. Oh, this is scary stuff. You don't want to fall. Alright, 15, it's not enough, but not enough. Enough for one block. I'll tell you that, but I guess we could go down this way. It's actually pretty perfect on the staircase. If we just walk off the lava, it's going to take forever though to go away. So I jump it. I'm jumping it. Oh! That was almost death. Almost death. Oh, so that room peaceful. Almost death. Almost death. Oh. Oh. Get down here. Are you serious? It's worth mine. Alright, let's get out of here right now. 15 iron will do for like, I don't know, a few minutes. Get some coal to smelt it on. I don't know. I don't. But it should be enough to smelt. Plus I want to make some torches. I don't know. I'm not feeling great. I'm not feeling good about this. I mean, I know I can perfectly, Nah, dead end. There's